Welcome to Ridge Road Elementary. We are so excited to see all of our students this year, and we can't wait to have an amazing year together. The purpose of this video is to inform you about the policies and procedures in our 2022-2023 Ridge Road Elementary School Handbook. Should you have any questions, please contact the office. Our contact information is listed on the screen. The principal of Ridge Road Elementary is Mr. Matthew Howell. The assistant principal is Ms. Kyla Lawrence.
Breakfast will be served every morning from 7:20 a.m. to 7:40 a.m. free of charge.
Classes start at 7:50 a.m. Classes are dismissed at 2:35 p.m. Students will not be permitted to be checked out after 2:05 p.m.
All students must wear closed-toe shoes. Clothing must be worn so it covers underwear as well as the back, midriff, chest, and buttocks. All tops must have straps, minimum width 2 inches, no spaghetti straps. Half shirts, undershirts, see-through, or mesh shirts, tube tops, any top without a back will not be allowed. Skirts and shorts must be of appropriate length. Sunglasses, mask, or any attire which covers the face are prohibited, along with hats, do-rags, hoods, curlers, picks, bandanas, and combs. Clothing that promotes alcohol, drugs, weapons, tobacco, gang affiliation, sexuality, or profanity is prohibited. All clothing items left throughout the building or outside will be placed in an area near the back doors for a few days. If your student is missing an item, please have your student come by to check if it is there. At the end of each week, all remaining items will be bagged and taken to a charitable organization. Please write your child's name inside of all clothing, especially jackets and sweaters. Excused absences. In order to excuse any absences, we need a parent or legal guardian to write an excuse documenting the reason the student was out, or an official note from a physician, attorney, etc. within 5 school days of the absence. Written notes are required to have the following information: name of student, teacher's name, dates of being absent, reason why the student was absent. Reasons as to why a student can be absent: illness, death or serious illness of a family member, recognized religious holiday observed by the student's faith, government appointment, doctor or dentist visit, other absence approved by the administrator. Unexcused absences. Anything not listed above, any absences that did not have an excuse note within 5 school days after returning, illness after 3 handwritten notes or no excuse from a physician, and out of school suspensions. COVID-19 absences. Do not send your child to school sick. Do not send your child to school if you are waiting on COVID test results. If your child has been absent due to COVID or related symptoms, please notify the school. Here at Ridge Road, learning is required. In order for our students to learn, it is important that they are here every day, on time, and ready to learn.
Whenever a student exceeds 12 unexcused absences in a semester, the district shall notify the prosecuting authority and the parent, legal guardian, person having lawful control of the student, or person standing in loco parentis shall be subject to a civil penalty as prescribed by law. Visitors are welcomed inside the building. To visit our campus, you must have a state-issued or city-issued identification card. Your identification card will be scanned using the Raptor system for the safety of students and staff. If approved, you will be able to enter the building. All visitors must have approval from an administrator to visit a classroom.
Drop off. Parents and vehicles need to drop off students using the back loop. Please follow the directions of all staff. For the safety of our students, do not drop off in the parking lots or from Ridge Road. All walkers need to use the front entrance. At 7:50 a.m., the loop in the back will be closed. Parents must park in the front parking lot and check their students into the office. Pick up. Parents and vehicles need to pick up students in the back loop. Students are not permitted to be picked up in the parking lots as they will be blocked off. Students are not permitted to wait in front of the building to be picked up by car. Stopping on Ridge Road to pick up a student may result in a traffic violation. Walkers will leave the building through the front doors.
For the safety of our students, we will send students home the same way every day, unless we receive a handwritten note or a personal visit. We do not allow changes in plans over the phone. Breakfast and lunch are free for all students. Students can eat breakfast when they arrive between 7:20 a.m. and 7:40 a.m. To minimize the loss of instruction, students arriving after 7:40 a.m. will be provided a light breakfast item and sent to class.
We have two main parties, Christmas and Valentine's. Due to COVID-19, all parties will follow all school guidelines to ensure the protection and health of our students. To help us meet the needs of each student and implement positive behavior, interventions, and supports, we ask that all parents or guardians download the Class Dojo app. Class Dojo will be used to connect, communicate, and share your child's learning experience throughout the school year.